My video guide is about getting rid of the fake Chrome update alert that is currently related to the website Setupcurrentextremelythefile.vip. Indeed, this is a fake Chrome update alert, but some people do not realize that it is fake. The pop-up tries to basically force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extension into Google Chrome browser. It says that this is some required and important update of some sort of Flash player, but when people mistakenly agree with this proposal and install that so-called update, they are actually installing the browser hijacker that changes a lot of crucial browser settings. This hijacker, promoted through such fake Chrome update alerts, may change the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. So when you start submitting some search queries, you might notice that the results are now delivered by some other search engine, not really wanted by you. So if you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser now operates, you should get rid of these fake Chrome updates and you should remove that extension that was installed by mistake. For this purpose, access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, and then choose Extension. Once again, click on this menu, More Tools, and choose Extensions. So if you find any unfamiliar extensions here, simply disable and remove them completely. Basically, this should fix the problem very well. And remember that these are fake Chrome update alerts you should never trust. The occurrence of these scary pop-ups may be the result of some adware on your system. So we recommend you to examine your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the program, and begin scanning your system with its help to detect and delete other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.